Hi y'all. So I just took a shower and that's why my hair is wet. But I wanted to talk about last night. So last night, me, CJ, and Ian all went fishing. And there's a little surprise. We didn't catch any fish last night. But I still want to show y'all the footage because there's some nice footage and the surprise is in there. So y'all are going to get surprised and probably have a heart attack just like I did. It's a scary surprise. So be warned. So I think I'm going to throw y'all to that footage. So see you now in a minute.
Don't kill it, don't kill it.
Leave it alone.
Go ahead and catch it. We'll take it up there to my buddy. What kind of
Oh my god.
Water monster. Guess the fuck it is. Down the back.
Okay, guys.
Caleb, video there.
I am! What do you think I'm doing? Jesus!
Right there. And
What are you doing? You're not gonna kill it?
try not to.
Oh my god. Guys, I don't want y'all getting hurt. That was, oh my god. Don't get bit. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still fucking videotaping this. Let him. Yeah, just let him go into the water. He went under the wave. Oh my God, you're crazy.
Don't touch it. Don't touch your face. Is that him?
I don't know. It looks like a stick now because it's not moving.
Back up to the truck so you can grab something and put it in. My cooler! Grab it. Back your fucking earphone. Back your fucking earphone. I can't get it down my head. No, it's back your cooler. Fuck up to the gate. Come down here and grab the fucking cooler. How are you gonna put them in there? We'll fucking put them in there. Even if you gotta grab the cooler out the wall. Stay here watching when you look at my truck. That's it.
He's going into a hole. I can't see him anymore. I think he's crawled into the hole. There's a hole on the side and he just crawled off into it.
She's in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is mighty black, I know who she's black and mad. Riding on a horse, you can whip your horse. I've been in a valley, and been up off that porch. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on the track, lean all in my blood. Cheated on my baby, you can go.
Okay, so like I said in a future past video, I own a worm farm and it's just a small one, but that is what came out of it. That's one of my biggest worms versus these little bitty tiny things, and you can tell the difference. Isn't that crazy? And we're gonna go fish with these guys, see what we can catch. He's always active at night. This is always what he's doing. On Wednesdays, whenever I pull up, he's doing that, and I can see him from the car because of the light. It's so bright, and I can see him doing that because of his shiny belly, and I'm always happy whenever I see him active, because he's normally just sitting down in his No, don't turn on the light. He's gonna go back and hide.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he will.
He's got big. That's when I want to catch him for. Did he go back over there?
Yeah.
After I shut it off.
Whenever you turned it off, he came back out. You can see him right there.
I want to hold him. He's not big.
He's
Oh, hey, we catch catfish? I want to try to catch fish.
Raise them from their baby, like I did mine. My baby cat boy.
Hey, for catfish, you know you gotta have sand in there. Because catfish are very, like, down in the sand.
You didn't use the same whenever I had
Yes, I mean, you gotta, like, lay down.
the sand made it so heavy though. I couldn't pick it up completely. Plus the sand got super dirty. Oh, excuse me guys. Sorry. I burped. They haven't moved much. Like whenever we're not out here, I can tell that they move because my chair, I can see them moving around. But I don't think they've gotten used to humans yet. It will take them a little while.
I need to make it.
I bet.
Still getting your dick in the face.
Yeah. I'm just letting them watch them. And as y'all can probably tell, we did not actually go fishing with the worms afterwards, which was sad. But I mean, we just decided to stay home since it was dark. We didn't have like flashlights or anything at the moment, so we just decided to stay home. Yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. So you know the routine. If you want to, obviously subscribe, like, and please leave some comments. I would love to hear what y'all have to say about the way I edit the videos, I guess. And yeah, just drop some comments. Pieces and bye guys.